My name is Sunil. I'm working as a Vice President for Data and Devices in Aircel. So let me take this opportunity to talk a little about potential of data in India, and specifically what is Aircel going to do about it to tap into this market. To start off with, currently as per IDC estimates, there are around 180 million consumers in India, expected to grow at around 90 million consumers next year and 70 more million the year after that. So we are talking essentially about a huge opportunity in data, which I think most of the telcos would be more than happy to grab a share of. So we at Aircel have a unique advantage of being branded as a telco which is into data, primarily known for data innovations, about the brand focus towards youth. So we feel that we are in a position to take a substantial chunk out of this. So a few of our past successes would be on launch of Pocket Internet. I think the first time that we launched something to get consumers who are using data for in small duration. So it's like a day or 2 day or 3 day pack, and it's been a huge success and has been replicated by all telcos across. One of the recent examples is we also launched something called 3G Mornings, where we are giving the consumer a chance to experience our 3G by giving him free 3G for 3 hours in the morning. And the result is that most consumers who have used Aircel 3G Mornings become 3G users moving forward, because the experience is so good. On similar lines, one of our recent research told us that a key problem in the market today is that the handsets which are getting sold are 2G and 3G handsets. But the consumer is not aware of the fact that he has got a 2G smartphone or a 3G smartphone. And then there are multiple packs. There's a 2G pack and there's a 3G pack. And there are multiple circles. Some circles have 2G and some circles have 3G for specific operators. So in a bid to ensure that the consumer experience is not compromised on, to make his life a lot more simpler, what we are doing in Aircel today is launching something called a unified data pack. What this pack does is, irrespective of the kind of handset that you have, irrespective of the circle that you are in, it's a single price point for 2G and 3G. So if you have a 3G phone and you're in a 3G circle, then you get 3G data. If you have a 2G phone and you're in a 2G circle, you get 2G. And a 3G phone in a 2G circle gets 2G, because that's where the ecosystem is. Consumer does not have to really go to the shop, ask for various price points, decide on his usage and buy. He just needs to see what his usage is and go and buy a pack. And this pack will work all across India, which is another USP for Aircel, which is on a data pack, there's no roaming charges applied. So consumer can go anywhere from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and we have our coverage in most of the circles, and we give him a data roaming experience at zero additional cost. So this unified data is something which we are launching across India today. It's already been implemented in most of the circles, barring a couple of them which will get done in latest by Monday. So we have this unique offering which we are giving. And to add on to this, we also have launched something called a Bookmate, which is one of the areas where he can go through latest magazines, books on our portal, and as of now it's giving free of cost to consumers. So this is a new offering that we have given. Before I wind up, last point which I also want to make is that we have done a strategic tie-up with Micromax as well. And this is a very unique tie-up that we have done, first time done in telco, where the consumer is getting benefits worth around 10,000 rupees on buying any new Micromax handset. And the basic advantage in this particular tie-up, and the reason it is unique, is that here the consumer has to just insert our SIM into the phone. From the back end, our system identifies this as a new phone and pushes the benefit to him from the back end. There is no additional activity the consumer has to do, like go to a shop, do a recharge, call up a call center. All that is avoided. So this is, like we mentioned, moving towards consumer experience. So Aircel is primarily working on two fronts. One is data innovation, and two is ensuring that the data becomes an integral part of the consumer's life without complicating it further. So these are the two basic approaches that we are taking to ensure that the consumer becomes an Aircel data consumer.
Can you share some details about network upgrade?
Sure. Yeah. So within data, I think network is obviously the most critical element, and we at Aircel understand that the consumer experience is key to ensuring a longer retention. So in line with this, what we are also doing is that we are staying 6 months ahead of the curve. So we have planned our data usage in advance and start investing into the network 6 months ahead. So we are doing a fairly major network expansion in terms of a new core, and all this is going to get implemented by 30th of November. So post that, the capacity will be much more, and the consumer experience is going to become even better and more enhanced. And apart from that, we understand that 3G is the place where most consumers want to be in. So we are also doing a 3G expansion drive, which is happening as we speak. So we already have around 10,000 odd sites across, and this is increasing month on month basis our new expansion plans.